this world. Tammayang Bhagavantang Saddhammang Sasanghang. Through this, the Buddha, the Dhamma, and the Sangha, it may sakare yatharavang arvite apipo chayama. We render with offerings our rightful homage. Sadhu no bande bhagava suchiram pariniputo pe. Is well for us that the blessed one, having attained liberation, Pachima Janata Nukam Pamanasa, still have compassion for later generations. In me sakare tukhata vanakarapote patikan mato. May this simple offerings be accepted. Ammakanti karatang hitaya sukhaya, for our long-lasting benefit and for the happiness it gives us. Arahang Samma Sambuddho Bhagava, the Lord, the perfectly enlightened and blessed one. Uttang Bhagavantang Abhivademi. I render homage to the Buddha, the blessed one. Sawakato Bhagavata Dhammo, the teachings so completely explained by him. Dhammang Namassami, I bow to the Dhamma. Supatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Saṅgho, the blessed one disciple who practice well. Sanghang Namami, I bow to the Sangha. Pandamayang Uttasa Bhagavato Upapat Kanamakarang Aroma Sail.
Now let's pay preliminary homage to the Buddha.
Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Homage to the blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one. Homage to the blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one. Homage to the blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one. Antamayang Buddhanussati Dayang Aroma Sayan.
Now let's chant the restoration of the Buddha.
Angko Panapakawantang Ewang Kalayano Kitisato Apukhato, and to break out the blessed one reputation has spread as follows. Ilepiso Bhagava Arahang Samma Sambuddho. He, the blessed one, is indeed the pure one, the perfectly enlightened one. Veccha Charana Sampanno. He is impeccable in conduct and ท่านธรรมยังพุทธาภิกิติกโรมัสเส
Now let's attend in celebration of the Buddha.
พุทธวา
อร
ระ
หันตวรตาติคุณาภิยุตโต The Buddha, the truly worthy one, endowed with such excellent qualities, สุตตาปิยานการุณาหิสัมมาคัตโต whose being is comfort of purity, transcendental wisdom and compassion, for te siyo suchanatang kamalang vasuro, who has enlightened the white light, the sun awakening the lotus, one tamahang tamaranang sirasa chinintang. I bow my head to the spiritual ship of conquerors. Putto yo sappapa ninang saranang kemamuttamang. The Buddha who is the self-secure refuge of all beings. Patamanusadittanang vantamitang sirenahang. As the first object of recollection, I venerate him with bowed head. Puttasa samita sowa putto me samikisaro. I am indeed the Buddha's servant. The Buddha is my Lord and guide. Putto dukkha sakata cawitata caitasami. The Buddha is sorrow destroyer, who bestows blessings on me. Puttasa niyate misariran chivitan chitam. To the Buddha I dedicate this body and life. Vantanto ham charit sami puttase vasupotitang. In devotion I will walk the Buddha's path of awakening. Nati me saranang anyang putto me saranang varang. For me there is no other refuge. The Buddha is my excellent refuge. Etena satchavacena vacayang sattu sasane. By the utterance of this truth, may I go in the master way. Uttame vantamane nayang punyang prasutang isa. By my devotion to the Buddha and the blessing of this practice, sakke pi antaraya me mahe song dasate sasa. By His power may all obstacles be overcome.
Kayena
Vajaya vajira sawa.
My body, spirit, or mind, Pote Mukamman
Vakatan
Layaya, for whatever wrong action I have committed towards the Buddha, Poto Tuachayana, may my acknowledgement of all be accepted. Kalandare Samvaritum Vaputte, so that in future there may be pattern regarding the Buddha. Nandamayan Dhammanussati Nayang Garuvasayam.
Now let's attend the recollection of the Dhamma.
Savakato
Bhagavata Dhammo.
The
Dhamma is well described
สวากาตตา
ทิคุณโยภวสินัสโย
It excellent because it is well expounded. Yo makabaka pariyati vimokapeto, and it can be divided in part and fruit, learning and liberation. Amo kulo kapatana tatatari. The Dhamma will not go upward from falling into delusion. One tamahang tamaharang varathamma metta. I revere the excellent teaching that which remove darkness. Thamoyo sapphapaninang saranang kema uttamam. The Dhamma visit the supreme secure refuge of all beings. Tatiyana sadithanam vantavita sirenaham. And the second object of recollection, I venerate it with bowing. Tamaksahat samitha sowa tammo me samikisaro. I am indeed the Dhamma server. The Dhamma is my Lord and guide. Tammo tukha sakata chavita sami. The Dhamma is sorrow destroyer, and it bestows blessings on me. Dhammasahang niyate misariran chivitan jitan. Through the Dhamma I can dedicate this body and life. One ganto charit sami dhammasse vasudhammatan. And in devotion I will walk this excellent way of truth. Nati me saranang anyang dhammo me saranang varang. For me no other refuge. The Dhamma is my excellent refuge. Etena sakhavat chena vattayang sattu sasane. By the utterance of the truth, may I grow in the master way. Amang ne vantamane nayang punyang pasuta ita. By my devotion to the Dhamma and the blessing of this practice, sape piantaraya me mahe songtasate chasa. By His power may all obstacles be overcome. Kayena vajaya vajira sawa. By body speech or mind, Tame kukama vakatam vayaya. For whatever wrong action I have committed towards the Dhamma, Tamo Padikanotu Achayanta. May my acknowledgement of all be accepted. Kalantare Samaritum Vatame. So that in future there may be great regarding the Dhamma. Tandamaya Sankanussati Nayangaro Vase.
Now let's chant the reparation of the Sangha.
Suvati Panno
Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho. There are the precious one disciple who have practiced well. O Shubhati Panno Bhagavato Sāvaka
Bhukkala. That is the fourth place because of when he is.
เอสัพพะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆ
These are the blessed one disciples. Ahunayo.
Such one are worthy of gifts.
Ahunayo. Worthy of hospitality. Takinayo.
Worthy of
Offerings. Anjali Karaniyo. Worthy of respect. Anuttaram Punyaketam Lokasati. They give occasion for incomparable goodness
to arise
in the world. Annamayan Sankha Bhikiti Karomase.
Now let's utter into liberation of the Sangha.
Sakkamacho
Supatipatti
Puna Tiyuto. Born of the Dhamma, the Sangha with that practice well. Yotapito Ariya Bhukkala Sangha Seto. The field of the Sangha of eight kinds of human beings. Sila Dhamma Bhavara Sayakaya Cito. Guided in body and mind by excellent morality and virtue. One Tamaham
Kamariya
Natanam Susutam. I revered an assembly of noble beings perfected in purity. Sangho yo sappappaninam saranam kevamuttamam. The Sangha visit the supreme secure refuge of all beings.
Tatyanusadithanam
Vandhamitam Sirenaham. As the third object of recollection, I venerate it with bhave. Sangha Sahat
Samitha
Sowa Sangho
me
Samikisaro. I have witnessed the Sangha servant. The Sangha is my Lord and guide. Sangho
Yukta
Sakata
Javithata Jaitasame. The Sangha is sorrow destroyer, and it bestows blessings on me.
Sangha Sahaniya Temi Sariran
Chiyavitan
Chitam. To the Sangha I dedicate my body and life. Vantanto
Charit
Sami Sangha
So
Patipanata. And in devotion I will walk the well-practiced way of the Sangha. Nati me saranang anyang sangho me saranang warang. For me there's no other refuge.
the Sangha is
My
my
excellent refuge. Etena Satchavache Navattayam Sattu Sasane. By the utterance of this truth, may I grow in the master way. Sangha me vantamane nayam punyam prasutang ita. By my devotion to the Sangha and the blessing of this practice, Sapphe Piyantaraya me the Sava, by body Suphitomai, Sanke Kukaman
Pagatamayaya,
for whatever wrong action I have committed towards the Sangha, Sangho Palikangatu
Ajayantam,
may
my
acknowledgement of her be accepted. Kalantare Samvaritum Vasanke, so that in future there may be granted regarding the Sangha. อันธรรมยังติตาปัจเจเวคนะปาทังพนามาเส
Now let us recite the passage for reflection on the pathway of the requested.
อาจามายา
ปัจจเวคิตาวายังจิวรังปริพุตตัง Whatever of you today without consideration, ตังยาวะเทวะสิตัสสะปฏิฆาตายะ
was simply to one of God,
Purn hasa pฏิฆาตายะ
Tower of it, ดังสามาคาสาวา
ตาตาปะ
เส
สิ
ริงสัพพสัมปัสสานังปฏิฆาตายะ Tower of the blood of Christ,
มอ
mosquito, wind, sun, and reptiles. Yavadeva Yeriko Bina Padichatanatham, simply for the purpose of covering the parts of the body that got shaved.
อาจามยาปัจจเวคิตวายโยบินทปาโตปริพุตโต
Whatever harmful I give today
without
consideration, so Nevatavaya
นามัทายะ
Namandanaya Navipusanaya was not too gratefully, nor for intoxication, nor for putting on weight, nor for beautification. Yavateva
อิมัสสะ
Sakaya Satitiyaya Panaya, but simply for the survival and continue unsubstituted body, weighing Soparatiya
พระมจริยานุภามายะ
for ending its afflictions, for the support of the holy life. Ete
ปุรานันจะเวทนังปฏิหังคามิ
mindfully like this,
I destroy all feelings of hunger. Now
Navanjavetanam na upadesami, and not create new feeling from overeating. Yatara
เมภวิสติอา
Japa
ดาวัช
Davachata Japa Surina Rochati. I will maintain myself, be blameless and live in comfort. Achamaya
อัปปัจจเวคิตวายังเสนาสนังปริพุตตัง
Whatever lodging I use today
without consideration,
Tang Yavadeva Sita Sapanikataya was simply to what of God, Purna Sapatikataya, to word of it, Nang Samakasavata
ตาปะสิริงสัพพสัมปัสสานังปฏิฆาตา
Patikataya, the word of the thought of Christ, mosquito, wind, sun, and reptiles. Yavateva Utu
ปริสยาวิโนทนังปฏิสัลลานา
Patisalaanaramatan, simply for the
protection
from the inclemency of weather and for the enjoyment of seclusion. Achamaya
อัปปัจจเว
Ekitavayo Kilana Pachaya
เพสัชชา
Chaparikaro ปาริพุตโต one government medicine and retreat for curing the sick. I use today without consideration. So
ยาวะเทวะอุปันนานังเวยาปาริกานังเวทนานังปฏิกาตายะ
was simply to what happened of illness that had arisen.
อาปยาปัจจปรมัตตายาติ
And for absolute protection from disease. ท่านธรรมยังติสนาดิตานะคาตาโยปนามาเส
Now let's chant the verses of sharing and aspiration.
อิมินาปุญญกรรมเมนะอุ
อุ
ป
ปัช
ชา
ฌายา
คุ
กุ
ณ
ณ
ต
ตา
รา
During the goodness that arisen from my practice, อาจาริโยปการาจัมมาตาปิตาจยาตกาปิยมะมัง May my spiritual teachers and
and guided of
great virtues, my mother, my father, and my relatives, Suriyo Janti Maharaja Kunawanta Narapita, the sun and the moon, and all earthly leaders of the world, Rama Maharaja Indraja Loka Palaya Devata, may the highest gods and hidden forces, celestial beings, guardian spirits of the earth, and the Lord of death, Yamorita Manusa Jamachata Verika Bija,
may those who are friendly, indifferent, or hostile,
Sappe Satta Sukhi Hontu Punyani Prakatani Me, may all beings receive the blessings of my life. So Panchati Vidam Tentu Kipang
ปาเปตาววาตา may they soon attain the fruitful bliss and the life that deathless.
Imina Punyaka Mena Imina Utisena Ja,
Through the goodness that arises from my practice, and through this act of sharing,
กิปังสุลเปเจวัตันอุปาทานาเชทนัง May our desire and attachment
then quickly say,
เยสันตาเนหินาธรรมายาวานิพพานาโตมะมัง and on our first days of mine until I realize
Pana,
นาสันตุสัพพทาเยวายาตาชาโตภเวภเว
in every kind of birth,
May I have an upright mind,
โอ
ชุจิตังสติปัญญาสัง
เว
เว
โก
โก
วิ
วิ
ยา
ยา
มิ
มิ
นา
นา with mindfulness and wisdom,
as charity and vigor,
มาราลาพันตุโลกาสังกาตุนจาวิริ
เย
ย
สุ
สุ
เม
เม
may the forces of illusion not
take
hold nor weaken my resolve.
พุทธาติปวโรนาโทธัมโมนาโทวารุตตโม
The Buddha is my excellent refuge, unsurpassed the protection of the Dhamma.
Now